Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today is your week 4 day 2 lecture. Today's topic is formatting text. Okay, in this video we will discuss about parts of MS Word interface. This is the MS Word document window. Number first is called quick access toolbar. Then this upper part is the title bar. Then there is a close button. Then there is an insertion point where you can write something. Then the white area is called document window. Then there is a horizontal scroll where you scroll right or left. Then there is a status bar. Then there is a view button where how you can view the document. Then there is a zoom slider if you want to zoom in or zoom out the document. Then there is a vertical scroll bar where you can up and down the document. Okay, basically this area is called ribbon. The ribbon tabs are the access or control portion in order for ribbon to be activated or displayed. In ribbon there are 7 tabs. The first tab is home tab, then insert tab, page layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab and view tab. Okay, for basically we will only discuss the home tab. In the home tab there are clipboard. In from clipboard you can you can paste something. Font, you can change the font, or font means size of the document. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can change the size of the document, size of the text. Okay, then a paragraph, you can align the paragraph, you can put the bullets, you can put the arrow, you can give the counting by paragraphs button. Then you give the style to your document. You can change the writing style, and you can edit by clicking on editing tab. In the ribbon we will only discuss the font group. Okay, on the font group there are many tabs. First, the font, where you can change the text of the document. There is B is for bold. You must know the icon name. I for italic, you change the writing to italic. Then you click. If you underline something, then you click on the underline. Strike through, if you need strike through, then click on the strike through. There is a subscript, superscript. Then the text effect, text highlighter, font color, clear formatting, change case, grew, shrunk, font size. Basically you must know the name of the of this tab.